Hey, gadget lovers! Many people these days settle for blurry, frustrating views of the world around them without even realizing what they're missing. Whether it's that distant bird, the thrilling play on the field, or the expression on your favorite performer's face, the right pair of binoculars can completely transform your experience. And we've done the digging to find the top 5 best binoculars on Amazon right now, for every need and budget. But first, make sure to use our links in the description because they'll take you straight to the latest discounts for every single product we talk about. Let's zoom in. Number 5. Hontry 10x25 Compact Binoculars. Let's kick things off with a fantastic all-rounder and a true crowd pleaser. Coming in at number 5 is the Hontry 10x25 Compact Binoculars, an Amazon's choice product with over 23,000 stellar reviews. Priced at a very approachable limited-time deal, this is where incredible value meets everyday practicality. The 10 times magnification here is the sweet spot, powerful enough to bring your subject close but steady enough to hold comfortably without too much shake. They're about the size of your palm and weigh only 0.6 pounds, making them the reliable companion you can actually toss in a bag for any adventure, not just special occasions. With fully multi-coated lenses and premium Bach 4 prisms, the image is surprisingly bright and rich with detail, even in lower light. What really makes the Hontry shine is its versatility. They're absolutely perfect for birdwatching or hiking, but also excel at concerts, theater, and sports games. Plus, with an adjustable fit that works for both kids and most adults, the whole family can share in the discovery. For a compact, do-it-all binocular that won't break the bank, the Hontry is a brilliant place to start. Number 4. FLYANT 20x50 High-Powered Binoculars. Now, if your priority is raw power and bringing the far-off world dramatically closer, step up to number 4, the FLYANT 20x50 High-Powered Binoculars. This is for the enthusiast who wants to see intricate details 1,000 yards away. With a massive 20 times magnification and large 50mm objective lenses, these binoculars gather a lot of light, promising bright views. They boast an exceptionally wide field of view, letting you observe a broad landscape even at high zoom. The ergonomically designed 26mm eyepieces are made for comfort during long viewing sessions, helping to reduce eye strain and dizziness that can sometimes come with high power. Built to be waterproof and with an anti-reflective lens coating, these are billed as a rugged companion for serious birding, hunting, camping, or even stargazing. While high magnification requires a steadier hand or sometimes a tripod for the crispest view, the FLYANT 20x50 delivers remarkable reach for its price, making it a powerful tool for the avid outdoors person. Number 3. Occer 12x25 Compact Binoculars. Striking a brilliant balance between compact size, solid power, and user-friendly design, at number 3 we have the Occer 12x25 Compact Binoculars, another Amazon's choice winner. These binocs take the popular compact form and add a thoughtful twist, a large eyepiece design. Why does this matter? That large 15mm eyepiece gives you a wider, more comfortable viewing tunnel, reducing that looking through a straw feeling and making it easier to find and follow your subject. With 12 times magnification and a fully multi-coated optical system with Bach 4 prisms, you get a clear, bright image that's a noticeable step up in clarity. They're also waterproof and built with adjustable eye cups that twist down perfectly for eyeglass wearers or up for everyone else, ensuring no one misses out on the full picture. Whether you're travel sightseeing at a stadium or out in nature, the Occer 12x25 provides a premium, easy-to-use experience in a pocket-friendly package, explaining why over 32,000 reviewers are fans. Number 2. Vortex Optics Triumph HD 10x42 Binoculars. When you're ready to invest in optics that are built to last a lifetime through any adventure, you arrive at our premium picks. At number 2, the Vortex Optics Triumph HD 10x42. Binoculars represent the gold standard for serious durability and optical quality without a professional price tag. This is a full-size binocular with 42mm lenses that soak in light for a bright, high-definition view. The HD optical system with fully multi-coated lenses delivers exceptional color, sharpness, and clarity from edge to edge. But Vortex is famous for its build, and the Triumph HD doesn't disappoint. It's nitrogen purged to be completely waterproof and fog-proof, and the chassis is cloaked in a tough rubber armor that's shockproof and gives you a super secure grip. It's tripod adaptable for rock-steady viewing, and every single detail from the adjustable eye cups to the diopter is engineered for comfort. The crowning glory. Vortex backs it with a legendary, unlimited, unconditional lifetime warranty. If it ever breaks, they fix it. For a dependable, high-performance tool you can take anywhere and trust for decades, the Vortex Triumph HD is an outstanding choice. Number 1. Athlon Optics Midas UHD 8x42 Binoculars. And now for the absolute pinnacle of optical engineering on our list, our number 1 pick, the Athlon Optics 8x42 Midas UHD Binoculars. This is where science meets spectacle. Athlon packed the Midas with every high-end feature to create arguably the clearest image in its class. It starts with ED glass, extra low dispersion glass, which virtually eliminates color fringing and chromatic aberration, giving you a razor-sharp, true-to-life picture. Then they add an ESP dielectric coating on the prisms, reflecting over 99% of the light to your eyes for breathtaking brightness and perfect color reproduction. It's fully multi-coated, argon purge for superior waterproofing in any climate, and offers a wonderfully wide field of view. The 8x magnification provides a super steady, bright image that's perfect for prolonged glassing sessions, whether you're tracking wildlife, identifying birds, or enjoying a scenic vista. While it commands a higher investment, the Athlon Midas UHD delivers a viewing experience so immersive and clear, it doesn't just show you the world, it reveals it. For the discerning user who will accept nothing less than the best, this is it.